Barbecue has been an American classic since the 1800s, but its tangy sauces and salty rubs can make it challenging for those managing CKD. The good news is that you still can enjoy this summertime favorite without compromising your health. By making smart ingredient swaps and using kidney-friendly marinades and seasonings, you can create flavorful dishes that are easier on your kidneys. From savory grilled chicken to foil packet meals bursting with flavor, there are endless options to satisfy your barbecue cravings while maintaining your dietary needs. You might be wondering about who I am and why I'm qualified to talk about this. If you're someone living with chronic kidney disease, I've got great news for you. Hello, I'm Mathea Ford, a registered dietitian nutritionist specializing in chronic kidney disease and owner of RenalDietHQ.com. I specialize in helping people just like you improve their health by making simple yet delicious changes to your meals. Together, we can transform your eating habits, boost your overall well-being, and ensure that you're enjoying every bite along the way. Say goodbye to bland and boring meals and say hello to a healthier, more vibrant life. Let's get started on this incredible journey to better health together. Visit RenalDietHQ.com today and take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. Barbecue often gets a bad reputation for being unhealthy, especially for those managing their weight or caring for their kidneys. However, grilled foods can actually be a healthy and delicious option, particularly when it comes to vegetables. Grilled vegetables are low in fat compared to other cooking methods and pack a punch of nutrients and flavor. Learning to season food without salt can make these dishes even more kidney-friendly while enhancing their natural taste. Grilling vegetables also reduces the need for excess oil and adds a delicious texture to your meal. Whether you prefer gas, charcoal, or electric grills, the nutritional value remains the same, making it easy to prepare wholesome meals. So the next time you fire up the grill, trade traditional options like burgers and hot dogs for vibrant, flavorful vegetables that are both healthy and satisfying. Barbecue is more than just a way to grill food. It's a cooking tradition with unique styles, flavors, and techniques that set it apart. Defined as meat cooked slowly over indirect heat or smoke, barbecue creates tender, flavorful dishes throughout its slow cooking process. Often, the meat is marinated in sauces or spices before cooking, enhancing its rich taste. This method has a long history tracing back to Native Americans who used it to prepare wild game like deer, buffalo, and bear. Barbecue sauces and spices are key to creating a flavorful, kidney-friendly barbecue. However, many store-bought sauces can be high in sodium, sugar, and fat, making it essential to choose wisely. Opt for reduced sodium or low-sugar options to meet dietary needs, or try making your own sauce at home for better control over the ingredients. Small changes like transitioning to a low-sodium kidney diet can have a big impact on your health. Homemade sauces can be customized with fresh herbs and spices to suit your tastes while keeping your meal kidney-friendly. For spice mixes, consider using ingredients like garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, paprika, cumin, oregano, dry mustard, and black pepper. These spices create a delicious, versatile blend that complements both meats and vegetables. Preparing your own spice mix not only enhances the flavor, but also allows you to regulate sodium levels, ensuring a healthy and satisfying barbecue experience. Starting a kidney-friendly barbecue is simple and delicious with the right plan. Begin by making grilled vegetables the star of your menu. Enhance their flavor with healthy marinades and sauces, such as olive oil and lemon juice for zucchini slices or oregano sprinkled over eggplant wedges. To protect your kidneys, steer clear of high-sodium condiments like soy sauce, steak sauce, and Worcestershire sauce. Instead, rely on herbs and spices like thyme, parsley, rosemary, garlic powder, paprika, cumin, and chili powder to add robust without added salt. Perfect for satisfying even the pickiest eaters. It adds lots of flavor. For protein, consider alternatives to traditional red meats like hamburgers or steaks. Lean options such as turkey burgers or fish tacos are lower in fat and ideal for a healthier outdoor grilling experience. Always opt for fresh, high-quality ingredients from local markets whenever possible to ensure the best taste and texture while adhering to CKD dietary guidelines. With these tips, you can create kidney-friendly meals that are flavorful, nutritious, and enjoyable for everyone at the barbecue table. For a vibrant and nutritious meal, grill vegetables like eggplant, peppers, onions, or squash, lightly seasoned with these kidney-friendly herbs and spices. You can also get creative with vegetable kebabs by adding chunks of pineapple or watermelon for a touch of sweetness. Just remember to skip the salt when seasoning your veggies. Kidney-friendly barbecues can be exciting and flavorful when you use fresh ingredients and bold seasonings. With a little creativity, you can enjoy a delicious cookout while supporting your kidney health. Traditional barbecue dishes may not align with your dietary restrictions, but there are plenty of tasty alternatives perfect for a cookout. Veggie burgers are a flavorful substitute for classic burgers, offering a similar texture without unhealthy additives or heavy proteins. Grilled tofu, when marinated, develops a delicious crunchy exterior and juicy interior, providing a plant-based protein option. Vegan kebabs featuring a mix of bell peppers, mushrooms, and other flavored vegetables are another great choice, delivering bold flavors without meat. Prepare these mains with fresh herb-infused salads, which are healthier alternatives to traditional sides like macaroni salad and chips. Adding nuts or seeds can give salads extra crunch and a depth of flavor. Another key tip is to avoid overcrowding your grill, as this can lead to uneven cooking and charring before the food is thoroughly cooked. Having the right kitchen tools and equipment on hand, like a meat thermometer or long-handled tongs, can make the process smoother. By incorporating these techniques, you can serve kidney-friendly barbecue dishes that are not only nutritious, but also bursting with flavor. Your guests will be delighted, and they won't even realize they're eating healthier. At the end of a long day, nothing beats gathering with friends and family for a backyard barbecue. But when living with kidney disease, it's essential to keep your renal diet in mind. Opt for lean meats like chicken breast or shrimp, which are lower in fat and easier on the kidneys compared to processed meats such as sausages or burgers. Vegetables are another great option, and grilling them can enhance their natural flavors. Think vegetable skewers or grilled cheese for a tasty, kidney-friendly twist. Be mindful when selecting sauces and spices, as many ready-prepared options contain high levels of sodium. Always check your labels to ensure that you're making the best choices for your health. Thanks for joining me today.